Welcome to Evolutionary Model on Java Part 1. In this part, I will be demonstrating the workings of the program and will lead you through a few test cases. The goal of every single organism in our program is to evolve and reproduce in such a way that every subsequent generation has a greater proximity to the maximal number of resources than the previous generation. Here, by resources, I mean the energy sources that are represented by red dots as such. And just to lead you through a few key terms, here parent A and parent B denote the two parent organisms that will cross together and reproduce to form the 8 children as represented by these small boxes. Generation 1 denotes which generation the parent organisms belong to, and here it is 1. Source 3 denotes the amount of energy resources available to all the organisms. Here they are 3 in number as represented by the red dots. And complexity 1 denotes the number of genes present in the parent organism. As you can see by these white dots, they are 1 in number. Let's get started with the examples. Example number 1. Simple test case, 4 points. In the first example, I initialize 4 energy source points and challenge the organisms to find an optimal shape. In every generation, the genes of the two parents mutate and cross to form 8 children, and among the 8 children, the 2 children most suited to the environment are selected to be the parents of the next generation. And soon, because of this favorable propagation of organisms, an optimal shape is found. Here you can see how the organism has fitted in more or deviated less when compared to the environment in each subsequent generation. Example 2. Complex test case, 13 points. In this test case, the organisms have to optimize over 13 different energy sources. Let us wait and see if the organisms get adapted to their environment. Once again, the organisms have become a better fit to the environment with each subsequent generation. Example 3. Readaptation test. In the readaptation test, we already have an organism that is optimally evolved with respect to its surroundings. But now, the environment itself changes over time. The organisms have adapted to the change in surroundings. That's the end of part 1. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.